Wendell Potter is with us. He's an insurance industry whistleblower, former senior executive with one of the big insurance companies, the author of a book, Deadly Spin. His website, Wendell Potter, 1D, 2 L's, 2 T's, wendellpotter.com, and Twitter at Wendell Potter. Wendell, welcome back to the program.
Tom, thanks for having me back.
Thanks for joining us. And let me just tell all of our listeners, after the break, we got about a minute of the break here, we will be taking calls for Wendell if you have any questions about the Affordable Care Act or Obamacare. I'm curious your thoughts on what the president just had to say.
Well, obviously the president was correct. The Affordable Care Act will go forward, regardless of what happens or doesn't happen in Congress today or tomorrow or next week. The health insurance marketplaces will open tomorrow as scheduled, and the new rules of the healthcare system are taking place. A lot of people already have benefited. At least 100 million Americans already have benefited from the Affordable Care Act. Millions more will in the coming weeks and months.
So, it's, just to be clear, the Obamacare, in quotes, is not subject to a government shutdown. If the government shuts down, people who might help you sign up for Obamacare, they still have their jobs because their part of the government is funded? That's
right. In fact, as he said, most of the Affordable Care Act has already been paid for. It's already funded. It's been in the system, and a lot of the money has been spent, and it will go forward. What this might affect are some government workers who do work that's entirely unrelated to the Affordable Care Act. Many of them will be furloughed, but the Affordable Care Act, that's what the supreme irony here is, that yes, some parts of the government could be shut down, but Obamacare will go forward. Yeah, that is ironic. Wendell Potter's with us. We'll be back with more of your, we'll start out with your calls. If you have a question about Obamacare, anything about this law that you don't understand, give us a call at 1-866-987-THOM, and Wendell Potter will be glad to answer them.